Hey there, fellow audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to give you the real scoop. Today, we're diving into the realm of headphones with a review of the FiiO FT3. These headphones promise premium specs and performance without breaking the bank. Let's jump right into it. FiiO has done it again, delivering a product that punches above its price tag. The FT3 might not be the trendiest headphones out there, but for those who value both budget and fidelity, there's a lot to appreciate here. Now, let's talk features. The FT3 comes with an impressive cable from Japan's FiiO. It's annealed monocrystalline copper wire that offers superior conductivity and longevity, a result of years of perfection. It's a cable that's normally reserved for high-end audio setups, a true testament to FiiO's commitment to quality. Speaking of cable, you get a generous 3 meters of it, along with various adapters, making these headphones compatible with a wide range of devices. When it comes to sound, the FT3 doesn't disappoint. With 60mm dynamic drivers coated in beryllium and diamond-like carbon diaphragms, these headphones aim to provide an engaging audio experience. Despite their high impedance of 350 ohms, they manage an impressive signal-to-noise ratio. However, due to this impedance, they'll need some extra power to shine. So, pairing them with a good headphone amp DAC is recommended for the best results. Now, let's talk about that sound signature. The FT3 impresses with its balanced and neutral tone. They stay faithful to your source material without adding any unwanted warmth or artificial excitement. The bass is punchy yet controlled, while the top end is animated and detailed. Treble might not bite as much as some, but that's actually a plus at higher volumes. In terms of comfort and build, the FT3 delivers. They sport a classic over-ear design with aluminum alloy construction. They're lightweight, tactile, and even good-looking if you catch them in the right light. The headband's two-piece structure, covered in protein leather, offers a snug fit. The memory foam earpads, available in protein leather or suede, make sure your ears are cozy. And yes, FiiO has made sure the drivers are angled for optimal listening. In a nutshell, the FiiO FT3 is a well-crafted pair of headphones that offers excellent value for your money. With the neutral sound signature, impressive construction, and compatibility with various devices, they're a great choice for budget-conscious audiophiles. Just keep in mind their higher impedance and power requirements for the best performance. And there you have it, our breakdown of the FiiO FT3 headphones. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next video.